What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My parents recently bought this place, and there are a ton of funky rooms, and they put me in charge of disposing of them. I'll show you the inside right here. So basically, it just kind of looks like this. Okay, I'm kind of confused on why there's insulation, even though it's not even connected to the ceiling. You know what 47 means? I'm gonna take this all apart in about 47 minutes. Enjoy! Nice, I got all the drywall off. Now I'm going to take these board things off so I can access the insulation. Yeah. Wow. Look at that. Now all I gotta do is take these walls out, and then this room will be big again.
You make me move, you make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move, you make me move.
And there you go. All gone. Now for the cleanup.
A few moments later.
Wow, look at that. All clean. That's the end of this video. Thank you all for watching. And please, like and subscribe. Okay, bye.